When I switched to using the Signia brand, actually minsan nakakalimutan ko na may suot akong hearing aid. Hello, I'm Bibbs. I'm an active hearing center patient. I've been a hearing aid user for almost 4 years. So Signia, this is my 4th brand already. Sloping na kasi yung hearing ko. Before yung suot ko, okay naman siya. Itatawid naman yung pangailangan ko. But at the same time, kailangan ko na rin mag-upgrade. Kung okay dati yung gamit ko, mas may okay pa pala. So when I tried yung Signia brand, Active Hearing Center advised me to try different units. They allow you to take home the units and test it for yourself for trial. Napakalaking bagay dun for me kasi I was able to find the right fit according to my needs and to my comfort. When I switched to using the Signia brand, comfortable siya sa tenga, lightweight. Actually, minsan nakakalimutan ko na may suot akong hearing aid. And then yung itsura niya sa mga conscious magsusuot, lalo kung new user ka, hindi siya ganoon ka-obvious na hindi ka mga conscious kapag suot mo siya. Yung luma kong unit, 2 programs lang. When I switched to Signia, accessible siya sa app, very convenient. Mayroon siyang 4 programs. Ako, kung ako ay kausap ng face-to-face, nasa meeting room, nakikinig ng music. So very convenient and fit to my needs. And then support, Active Hearing Center. Tutulungan nila ako, nabibigyan nila ako ng inputs. Thank you, Active Hearing Center, for being actively there for me. Right now, I'm very happy. I can hear life better.